So, good afternoon, friend. This is Dhananjay, and welcome to my blog. And again, I'm come with my second video. So, yesterday I made my first video, which is I'm share what is the purpose of the video, why I'm making the video. So, the actually purpose is the video to remove my hesitations and improve my communication skill. So yesterday already shared my the purpose of the video, and today I'll share with you why important English for me. So as you know in my last video, I'm share what is the position. Actually, I am a software developer, and in my field, IT in IT field, English communication is very important. It's required in every company. So actually, I had done my schooling from Hindi medium. So in my family, everyone completed our education from Hindi medium. So therefore, I'm surrounded by those people who's comfortable with Hindi and Bhojpuri and Marathi also. So I thought how I can start to improve my communication skill, because I'm heard lots of people speaking in English, and the problem is that I'm trying to learning English from YouTube, from uh, movies, from musics, and some people who talking in English. But the problem uh, that time I am listening carefully, but I'm not able to use it. Therefore, day after sometime I'm forget the words, and therefore I'm not a frame a proper sentence. So I thought if I am start making the video, so I every day I am continuously use it, continuously use the word which I'm learn. Uh, so and sometime after, it means key after 6 months, I'm comparing my first video to that current video. So I check how much improving in myself. So right now is a lunch time. So I'm after lunchtime I get a 15 minutes. So I'm coming on basement. So here is a garden uh, and some basement place. So I'll show you everything. This is a basement, and you'll see this is a garden. Yeah. So after the shadow, so, and this is a Dhamki Samji Corporation. So actually my working time is from morning 10 to evening 7 p.m. So I don't get time to making a blog, but when I'm get time to 10 to 15 minutes, 20 minutes, I'm only so that time I thought I'm start to making a videos, and when I am going to anywhere for with my friend and with colleagues and family, uh, uh, so that time I'm start to making a video for, and every time I'm learning new things, so I'll share in my upcoming video. And yeah, I know I am actually yesterday video I'm too much nervous, which is I'm recording yesterday. This already on my YouTube channel. So please visit and subscribe my channel, and also comment on my video for improvement, and tell me where I need to implement. And so uh, let's I'll be meet in next video, because it's my lunch time is over. And if I'm uh, if I'm sorry, I don't know how to frame a sentence, but in future someone say ki try but don't cry when you start you can make, and you will be make perfect. So I'm start from yesterday, and let's see what happen in future, and uh, how much I'm learn from you guys. And if you share me your genuine feedback on comment section, so it's a help for me for improving my skills and learning lots of things from you, friends. So please suggest me where I need improvement. And also during my work, I'm trying to learn multiple vocabulary, and uh, also I take a one subscription uh, from one English learning app. So I'm also uploading my video there. So it's share with me feedback where I'm wrong, where I'm right, where I use which word, this all things. So it's helped me a lot. But still, we'll see upcoming day. You received sorry, you will receive multiple uh, best video, because this is my second day, so I don't know how to record a video and how to speak front of camera and people. But I'll be start, and I continuously improving myself and my communication, and in coming day you will see uh, I will give you the best video in future. So my lunch time is over, so I will meet again in my next video. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.